So next is our various forms of equations of lines. Equation of line, let us say we do have x-axis, equation of x-axis, at x-axis at every point the value of y will be 0. So equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis at every point on y-axis the value of x is always 0. So equation of y-axis will be x is equal to 0. Any line parallel to x-axis, if we do have this x-axis, any line parallel to it, suppose at a distance a units, whatever, a can be positive or a can be negative also, any line parallel to x-axis, as equation of x-axis y is equal to 0, so this will be y is equal to a. Any line parallel to y-axis, line parallel to y-axis, for y-axis equation is x is equal to 0, so this will be, let us say, at a distance of b units, then equation will be x is equal to b if any line is parallel to y-axis. Then we do have different forms of equation. Our first form is slope intercept form. Equation of a line whose slope is given m and at y-axis it is at a distance of c units from the origin, then equation of this line will be y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is y-intercept, this distance. It may be positive, it may be negative. See how it comes. This is the line. If this is at a c distance, you can say the point is 0c. At y-axis, this is always, x is always 0. So this is 0c. Any point on the line, any point on the line will be general point, that is x, y, variable. Without variable, you cannot form a line. So this is a general point. This can be here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, anywhere on the line. Means it forms the line. So generalize it. So x, y is the general thing. X, y is the general thing. M is the slope. C is the y-intercept. Now how this comes? Y is equal to mx plus c. That is what we are discussing. Slope of the line we know. Slope of the line y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? Cross multiply this, we got mx is equal to y minus c, and then y is equal to mx plus c. This is where we got y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of the line whose slope is given and whose y-intercept is given, right? Then equation of line passing through origin. Now when line passing through origin, let us say this is the line, then you can see this C distance will be 0. Slope is given, let us say m. This C distance will be 0. If C is 0, then equation of this line will be y is equal to mx directly. If it passes through origin, now we know y is equal to mx is the direct equation of that. Just write it down.